Today we will discuss the benefits of walking. Walking is one of the best medicine for the health. If you regularly will not need any medicine might be in your life. Walking combined with good sleep and a healthy diet and it help you to avoid all together the doctor. As little as 30 minutes of walking every day can drastically improve not only a person's overall appearance but health as well. Good old walking is a single practice which could significantly benefit the whole body and mind. Easy and require little effort. Here is a list of benefits you can get benefit of all walk yourself into. Basically, walking improve the talking, learning, even earning, burning of food. As you get the mental peace by walking, your health, good health, then obviously your earning. First benefit is the positive brain change. It improves the memory, attention, speed of working, creativity, focus and flexibility. As a study reveals, low impact aerobic exercise like walking prevent yearly dementia, reduce the risk of Alzheimer disease, improve overall mental health, not to mention reducing mental stress and maintaining a high level of performance. It improves the mental peace. It improves the mental. Next one is the improve eyesight. Even though eyes might seem like the last thing to be connected with the legs, walking actually benefits their health too. It may even help to fight glaucoma by relieving eye pressure. Next one is the prevention of heart disease. Basically, according to the Heart Association, walking is no less effective than running. When it comes to the prevention of heart-related disease or stroke, this activity helps avoid heart problems by lowering high blood pressure and cholesterol level and improving blood circulation. Next benefit is increase lungs volume. Basically, while you walk, it is an aerobic exercise which increases the oxygen flow in the blood streams and help train your lungs as well as eliminate toxins and waste. Because of better and deeper breathing, some symptoms associated with lungs disease may also be relieved. Next one is the effect on pancreas. Basically, it is hard to believe, but walking for exercise turns out to be much more effective tool in preventing diabetes than running. This research shows that group of walkers demonstrated improvement in glucose tolerance almost 6 times greater than that of a group of runners. That means if you are walking regularly, it will benefit more in comparison to running. You will have no ever problem of any diabetics like problem. Improve the digestion. 30 minutes of walking every day could not only lower the risk of cancer in the future but improve our digestion and no ever constipation. It helps to regulate our bowel movement. Whatever we eat, it will properly digest. Many times the food gets fermented and it gives energy, but negative energy, acidity, gas and all those problems. Hence, walking is one of the beneficial for the human digestion system. Next one is the toned muscles. Basically, muscle tone and weight loss also be achieved through walking. The practice of walking 10,000 steps a day may be counted as an actual workout in a gym, especially if you add some intervals or walking up hills, little bit slope. Additionally, it is low impact and there is no recovery time, which means no score, no sore muscles and regrets for missing tomorrow's workout due to being too sore the next day. So it gives you good muscle and you look better. Next one is the bones and joint. Walking can provide more joint mobility. It prevents loss of bone mass and even reduce risk of fractures in future. It removes arthritis. 30 minutes walking a day on a regular basis reduces the pain in your joints along with stiffness and inflammation. That means your body gets strong and stronger. Next one is the back pain relief. If you walk properly daily 30 minutes, you will have no back pain. Walking may become a real lifesaver for those who experience back pain during more challenging high impact exercise. Since it is a low impact activity, it would not cause more pain or discomfort like running, or heat would walking contribute to better blood circulation within the spinal structure and improve posture and flexibility, which is vital for healthy spine. That means regular walking improve your spinal cord. While 30 minutes daily walk, it gives peace to mind. It balances the life, and balance of life improve your life management. If walking, it improves depression symptoms in patients with major depression disorders. Imagine how easily it could help us cope with feeling down or exhausted, and a joyful walking with a friend or loved ones will only multiply the happiness and improve your mood and productivity. A daily walk of 30 increases your productivity at your work center and your glare at your face. So I request you all, keep walking and just enjoy with your. Thank you very much, but keep walking, please keep walking, keep smiling. Thank you once again.